It's a premium, super naked leather skin, which is a little bit more premium, but it's a super nice. It's got the flag liner. It's no different. It's got the two front pockets. It's got the snap front pocket on each side. Easy access pocket for the CCW right here. That's where you put your firearm or your cell phone so you can get to it without unzipping your vest. It's got the American flag liner on all sides. As you can see here, it's also got to see the zippers. Zipper here and a zipper here. Also, you can open up the liner so you can get to your put your patches on the back and not have to go through the lining, or have to sacrifice your pockets in order to put your front patches on. So it's kind of neat. Let me try it on, show you what it looks like. This is the Ultra Naked, really nice vest. $199 is the sale price on that. And what do you think, Mel?
Looks good. This one actually fits.
Thanks. This is free, and this is free. This comes with it, just in case you want to know, right, Mel? Okay. Okay. Really nice vest for the guys that want something that's a premium vest with the red stitching. We also have a version, as I said earlier. We have a version black stitching with black liner as well, so it's a lot less expensive than these. But it's a really nice vest. There we go. Ride safe, stay protected, wear your leather. There you have it.
Come to Jammin' Leather. Ha 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 ha.